Welcome to the Sun and Aurora forecast. The Sun is showing moderate activity with C-class flares. Active region 4,513 lies 4 degrees north and 26 degrees west of disk center. It covers 190 millionths of the solar disk and contains 14 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is DAC, and its magnetic class is BGD. During the past day, it produced 5 C-class flares. Active region 4,517 lies 16 degrees north and 39 degrees west of disk center. It covers 150 millionths of the solar disk and contains 8 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is DSO, and its magnetic class is B. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4,515 lies 6 degrees south and 13 degrees west of disk center. It covers 20 millionths of the solar disk and contains 2 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is HSX, and its magnetic class is A. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4,518 lies 2 degrees south and 34 degrees east of disk center. It covers 10 millionths of the solar disk and contains 5 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is BXI, and its magnetic class is B. It produced no flares during the past day. There are 5 active regions visible on the solar disk. We count 30 individual sunspots across these groups. The estimated sunspot number is 80, and the radio flux is 130 SFU. Current X-ray levels are at B 5.1. The most recent flare was a B 8.3 event. There is a 55% chance of an M-class flare and a 15% chance of an X-class flare today. And here is the strongest flare of the past 24 hours. We have footage of a C 5.3 event seen by NASA SDO across its ultraviolet channels. Solar wind speed is 257 kilometers per second with a density of 3.37 protons per cubic centimeter. The total magnetic field is 3 nanoteslas and the BZ component is 0 nanoteslas. The current planetary K-index is 0.67. The highest K-index measured over the last 24 hours was 1.33. The highest K-index expected in the hours ahead is 5.7. Auroral power is 13 gigawatts in the northern hemisphere and 14 gigawatts in the southern hemisphere. Today, the highest expected K-index is 4.7 with a 55% chance of M-class flares and a 15% chance of X-class flares. Friday, the highest expected K-index is 5.7 with a 55% chance of M-class flares and a 15% chance of X-class flares. Saturday, the highest expected K-index is 5.7 with a 55% chance of M-class flares and a 15% chance of X-class flares. These are expectations, not measurements. NASA SDO AIA at 17.1 nanometers reveals bright coronal loops tracing magnetic fields in the Sun's upper atmosphere. At 30.4 nanometers, SDO AIA highlights prominences above the limb and long dark filaments crossing the solar disk. The 19.3 nanometer AIA view maps the hot corona, while darker areas can mark coronal holes with open magnetic fields. AIA at 13.1 nanometers is the Flare Watch channel, emphasizing extremely hot plasma in newly energized active regions. NASA SDO HMI shows the photosphere in visible light, where today's sunspot groups appear as dark structures across the solar disk. The HMI magnetogram maps opposite magnetic polarities, exposing the complex fields surrounding the active regions. SOHO LOSCO C2 blocks the bright solar disk to reveal the inner corona and material moving away from the Sun. The wider Lascaux C3 view follows the outer corona and provides a broad watch for coronal mass ejections traveling into space. Tonight's Aurora forecast plays on a rotating night-side Earth. The real ovation probability oval glows over the map, and significant cities are marked with their Aurora chance and local time for each universal time hour. In the north, Aurora may dip to Scotland, southern Scandinavia, and the US-Canada border, near 53 degrees north geomagnetic latitude. The strongest overnight window falls around 03 universal time. Now the same night over the southern hemisphere. In the south, watch Tasmania's southern horizon, Southland in New Zealand, and Tierra del Fuego as the oval approaches 53 degrees south geomagnetic latitude. Current hemispheric power reads north 13 gigawatts and south 14 gigawatts. The ovation oval peaks near 13% in the north and 15% in the south. The Sun stands 1.010 astronomical units away today. Its light takes 8.4 minutes to reach us. Solar cycle 25 is declining from its maximum around August 2024. That is all from the Sun today. Subscribe for your daily space weather briefing and for the weather on Mars.